Amit Weston was a prolific American illustrator and artist known for his work in various magazines, books, and advertisement. His style and contribution can be characterized as following. Collier Weston created covers and interior illustrations for his popular magazine. His work often featured vibrant, dynamic scenes and captured the essence of mid 20th century American life. The Saturday Evening Post, another major publication where Weston's illustrations were permanently featured. His ability to depict everyday scenes with a touch of humor and realism made his work resonate with a wide audience. Western illustrations were used a variety of advertising campaigns. His knack for creating engaging and appealing visual made him to sought after illustrator for companies looking to capture consumer attention. Book illustrations. Weston illustrated several books, bringing stories of life with his detailed and expressive artwork. His illustrations often complemented the narratives, adding depth and visual interest. Style and techniques. Realism with a touch of whimsy. Western illustrations were known for their realistic detail, yet the often continued of whimsical elements and added charm and humor. Use of color. He was adapted at using color and enhance the mood and appeal of his illustrations. His color palettes were often vibrant and engaging. Composition. Weston had a keen eye for composition, ensuring that each element in his illustrations contributed to the overall impact of the image. This made his work not only visually appealing but also effective in conveying the intended message or story. Cultural impact. Emmett Weston's work captured the spirit of his time, reflecting the social norms, fashion, and daily life of mid 20th century America. His illustrations serve as a visual record of the era, providing insight into the cultural and social fabric of the period. Legacy. Weston left behind a rich legacy of illustrations that continue to be appreciated for their artistic quality and historical value. His work is often studied by art students and enthusiasts interested in mid 20th century American illustrations and commercial art. In summary, Emmett Weston's work as an illustrator was remarked by his ability to blend realism with whimsical elements, his effective use of color, and his strong compositional skills. His illustration not only adorned magazines, book, and advertisement, but also captured the essence of American life during his active years. Western illustrations were furthered in permanent magazines such as the Saturday Evening Post and Collier's. This work often included covers and story illustrations that complemented with written content, enhancing the overall narrative experience. During the golden age of advertising, Weston created numerous illustrations for advertisement. His ability to capture the essence of product while marking it visually appealing was high valued by advertisers. Western also illustrated book cover, providing a visual gateway into the stories within his cover were designed to attract readers through their compelling visual and intriguing portrayals of characters and scenes. Western institutions often reflected the culture and social dynamic of his time. His work provide a visual snapshot of mid 20th century America, capturing the fashion, attitudes, and lifestyle of the era. Western style has influenced many contemporary illustrators. His ability to blend realism with artistic flair remains a benchmark in the field of illustration. Viewers, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.